Stacy a little, and I'm so glad you're here for the annual AI and Marketing Summit. Yes, this is the third year in a row. Really excited to be doing this. And here's why I am doing this year. A lot of you that are not stepping into artificial intelligence or really haven't leveraged it properly, you are making excuses for why you're not growing your business. You're saying things like, I don't have enough time. I don't have a big team or a big budget, so I can't get it done. My content isn't converting to sales. It's not compelling enough. And marketing is really a manual grind. Well, we are in the AI revolution. And the problem is that you just do not know how to leverage AI properly. But that's okay, because I'm going to fix that for you. Let's talk about the agenda for the day. So there are 5 sessions for this summit, and you're going to want to make sure you're there for all 5 of them, and your friends are there. So this is free, no cost event for you. So make sure to spread the word. Session number 1 is about creating content 10 times faster with AI. Session number 2 is about really automating your marketing machine with artificial intelligence. Session number 3 is my favorite. It's about creating passive income streams with AI. How can you create your ebooks, your memberships, your course content, right? Get your side hustle up and going. Session number 4 is about mastering viral branding and social media content creation with artificial intelligence. And session number 5, we are going to end it with a bang. It's about creating your 7-figure AI action plan, right? Are you ready? Do you like it? All you have to do now is register for the summit. It's absolutely free. Do it now. And then after you do it, invite a friend to come to the summit, and I will see you there. The AI and Marketing Summit 2025, 3rd year in a row. Let's do this.